You guys saw my bed was a twin bed before, so it was a lot lighter, and now this is just, wow. I'm so excited about this. This is so nice, you guys. I've had a twin bed since I was little. This is my very first non-twin bed, and I'm like so shocked. This mattress was such a win. It was one of the cheapest ones that I could find. It's only an 8-inch and it's comfortable. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Okay guys, so now I'm gonna work on my closet. I have this thing about mismatched hangers. So now that I'm giving my room a makeover, I thought it would be appropriate to buy matching hangers. These ones were super inexpensive. I got them from my local 99-cent store, and they're one of those items that, you know, are more than 99 cents, but they're better quality. Each pack has 8 hangers and it was $1.99 each, and I got 5 packs. Let's do this. Alright y'all, it's day 2. Day two. I'm super excited. Today I'm just gonna take those down. I'm probably gonna take those down. I'm gonna get rid of the desk and the bookshelf as well today, just to see what I'm working with as far as space goes. I just kind of want to eliminate everything that's taking up the most space, except for the bed and the 2 nightstands for right now, and just kind of like make room for the new stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's do it! today's video. This video was a part 1 of 2, and I will be releasing the second video next week. This was a really big project, therefore it was a really long process. So I decided to make it into 2 videos so that it's easier to watch. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my social media links down below. I'll see you guys next week for part 2.
Okay, thank you, bye!